Hi, my name is Joey De Silva. I'm a graduate student at Georgia College and State University. And today what I'm going to do is a video tutorial on Boolean control structures. So I'll be going over if statements and I'll be going over any of the Boolean operators. And that's how we're going to do this. So let's go ahead and let's start a new project. And we'll call it Boolean P for Boolean practice. Alright, it's going to go ahead, it's going to open up, create my virtual environment. I don't need your tips, thank you though. We'll start a new file. There we go, new Python file. We'll call it practice. Makes perfect. There we go. Practice makes perfect. Alright. Let's go ahead and start. We'll create two variables. We'll create v1 and we'll create v2. And they're both pretty much going to say the same thing. We're going to start them with an int. We're going to go input. We're going to say type in a number. Great. And now we're just going to copy and paste it. We'll have two of those variables with the same thing. Now let's start our first if statement. So we'll go if v1 is greater than v2. And make sure you put the colon right here. Very important not to forget that. Otherwise you will get an error. We'll do v1 is greater than close comma v2. We'll do elif right here. And basically if the if statement does not come back as true, then it's going to move to elif. And we're going to do elif v1 is less than v2. Cool. And then we're just going to copy and paste this statement. We're going to go less than. And finally we're going to have our else statement. So if both these two statements fail, it would come right here. And this will be else will print v1 comma is equal to comma v2. So if all these fail, if these two fail right here, it'll go to the else statement, which the else statement will assume that v1 and v2 are equal, because that's the only other possibility. It has to be an int. So yeah, we'll go ahead and try it out real quick as well, right? Type in a number. Let's do 5 and 5. Look, that's where the else statement comes in. Failed the first if, failed the elif, hits on the else. Okay. Let's try two more operators. Let's see. Let's do. We're going to type in football for one. Then we're going to type in basketball for the other. So we're going to use the not equal and equal each other this one. So we'll do strings. We'll do str input. And we'll say who's your favorite college football team. And we'll copy and paste that so we can move a little quicker for you. Copy, paste. Who's your favorite college basketball team? So here's how I'll start this one. We'll go if, wait, let's space it out. If college, if football is equal to basketball, then print, we'll say you're a loyal fan, meaning you have the same college football team and the same college basketball team. But we'll say, we go elif football And this is the not equal operator. It's a right here, exclamation point, and then a equal to sign. So if football is not equal to basketball, print, just say you might be a bandwagon. I know you might not be a bandwagon, but you also might be if you know. It could go either way here. But anyways, let's make sure we have our colons. I always forget those. That'll get you stuck. Now let's try this now. Let's just say, type in a number here. We'll go 5, we'll go 9. 5 is less than 9. Yes, it is. Perfect. Who's my favorite college football team? The Dogs. We'll go type in UGA. Who's my favorite college basketball team? Still UGA. Love this one. Look, you're a loyal fan. Perfect. And I guess we'll test out the not equals to while we're here, right? We'll do this one. We'll do 10, and we'll do 5. As you can see, 10 is greater than 5. College football team, UGA. Basketball team, I do love Syracuse. Let's put it in there. You might be a bandwagon. I know. I hopped on the Syracuse bandwagon when I was very young. Anyways, let's go ahead and do the last two operators I haven't covered. Greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. So we'll say, what did I just do? I just got a haircut yesterday, so we'll go ahead and use that as an example. We'll do haircuts equal to, probably a float, right? Yeah, float. Input. We'll say, how much do you usually spend on your hair? And then we'll say, if we'll go $30. I feel like $30 is pretty expensive for a haircut. If $30 is less than or equal to your haircut, then we'll print that's an expensive haircut. And then we'll go elif, let's just say $29.99 for the sake of this argument. And we'll go is greater than or equal to haircuts. We'll print congrats, you're in the normal price range for a haircut. Let's go ahead and try this one out. Oh, and look at that. We're missing the colon right there. I always forget that. Make sure you do not. It's very easy to just go over. Alright, let's type in our number. We'll go 5. 5 is equal to 5. Yes, it is. Let's just say UGA. Always can't not love UGA. And let's go Rutgers this time. That's not how you spell that, but yeah, might be a bandwagon. How much do I usually spend on my haircut? I usually spend probably about $22.50. Congrats, you paid the normal price range for a haircut. I think I do. Alright, perfect. Anyways, that'll wrap up all the Boolean structures. We went over if, elif, else. We went over the greater than operator, the less than operator, the equal to operator, the not equal to operator, and greater than equal to, less than equal to. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this helped you out. Thanks.